What is going on YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the channel. This is where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And this episode, it's a tech mystery box. This is a 1,000 base shoes or digital walker mystery box. I didn't pay 1,000 pesos for it. They actually sent this for free. But all the items in this box are priced at less than 1,000 pesos. And make sure that you guys stay until the very end of this video. Why? Because I will pick one lucky winner, one winner who will get everything, every single gadget in this mystery box. So everything that we will find inside, you have the chance of actually bringing home or me sending it to you. So make sure that you watch until the very end. Let's go. To those who don't know, Digital Walker is one of the absolute best electronics and gadget stores that you guys can buy your gadgets from cell phones such as OnePlus to speakers and earphones such as the brand from Marshall or accessories such as Asus. You guys have to check Digital Walker out. I will put the link down below to their Shopee account, but if you're not into online shopping, you might just want to check out all of the different branches that they have because they're pretty much almost in all malls in the Philippines. Digital Walker, check them out, guys. So the mystery box comes in this black box. It says here, everyone is using Asus, and it has the Facebook account as well as the hashtag for Asus Philippines. So let's pop the box open and take a look at what's inside. Boom! Wow, they really sent a lot. So it does come with a lot of yellow ribbons. I will set aside the tags first. I think this is like the price list. So we'll talk about that in a bit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items here in this mystery box. And we will talk about each item one by one. The first item is the Asus Speed Dual Quick Charge 3 Quick Charger, and this one is pretty good value for money because it sells for just 480 pesos, and it's able to deliver Quick Charge 3.0 on both USB outputs. So it's a pretty good charger that you might want to have in your home or that you just might want to have in your bag. Total outage or wattage power is 30 watts, so that's pretty good. That's pretty sick, guys, especially for the price that you are paying for it. So again, that's the first item. We have the Asus Adapter Speed Dual Quick Charge 3.0 Quick Charger, 480 pesos. Now, any gadget mystery box will not be complete without a power bank. And this is the Asus Power Bank 20,000 milliamperes, a comfortable hand feeling. It's actually written there. Comfortable hand feeling. But anyway, so this is a bit slim for a 20,000 milliampere power bank, also not that heavy. And the great news about this one is that it sells for just 690 pesos. Again, another great item inside our Asus mystery box. Now, if 20,000 milliamperes is too much for you and it is too heavy and big, then of course you have the option of using their 10,000 milliampere power bank, which is smaller and more affordable. This one actually sells for just 480 pesos, and it is 10,000 milliamperes. It has smart safe charging, it has double USB, and again, comfortable to hold in your hand. So we have two power banks. So whoever is going to win this box from me, you guys get two power banks, a 20,000 milliampere one and a 10,000 milliampere one. Boom! Also have a flash type USB-C cable, so that's what you have over here. This sells for 290 pesos in color black and in gold. So if you do use like USB-C devices such as the latest Android smartphones or even laptops and accessories, this should work really well. We also have an iPhone version of the cable. This is the lightning connector, and guess what? This one sells for just 190 pesos. Boom! And it's color red, matches my shirts. So but anyway, that's the next item, 190 bucks, 190 pesos for a red USB to lightning cable charger. We have two more items in the list. Both are earphones. The first is the Asus Enoch Wire Earphone C16. So at the bottom end is not your typical like audio, what do you call that, plug, 3.5 jack. This one is actually ends with the USB-C. So you can plug it directly to your USB smartphone to be able to listen to your music. It is wired. But again, the great thing about this one, it just sells for 390 pesos. Lastly, we have their wireless S17 sports music wireless earphone. So this one, guys, you can use it for working out It actually has ear clips so it doesn't lose the fit in your ear. And an amazing thing about this is that it sells for just 790 pesos. Not a bad price for sports wireless earphones that you could use when you are working out. So those are all the items that we were able to find from the Basius 1,000 peso mystery box. So like what I mentioned in the intro, I am giving everything here, everything away to one of you guys. What do you guys have to do? Number one, you have to subscribe to my channel. Number two, you have to follow me on Instagram. And number three, you have to like and share this video. I just threw that in. And number four, just leave a comment down below on which device you guys like the most. And yeah, I'll pick one random winner at the end of July. Maybe July 31 or August 1. Let's see. I'll put the date in the description box. So make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. And make sure that you share and like this video. And don't forget to leave the comment, of course, with your IG handle as well. Huge shout out for Basius Philippines and Digital Walker Philippines, of course, for sending this box over and making one of our viewers who will win this happy. And that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.